Hi, this is the student made test conversation. And well, first of all, I want to discuss about the uh, questions I wrote for the first three questions, which are from chapter 11. For the true or false question, if unemployment rate is below its natural rate, the fiscal policy needed is an expansionary one. Well, of course, it's false because a contractionary policy is when unemployment rate is below the natural rate, and if you're able to answer it correctly, you can identify basically the difference between contractionary and fiscal and expansionary fiscal policies. So for the multiple choice question, it's basically just, well, you need to identify like the benefit of a fiscal policy, and well, the success criteria is like if you answer it correctly, you're able to recognize the benefit or the drawback of the policy. For the short answer question, basically a decrease in government purchases of 10 billion leads to a 6.6 billion decrease in withdrawals. So basically you need to calculate MPC, MPW, then after that the spending multiplier, and finally you need to state what happens in the AD curve. So the size of the you need to tell the size and also the direction of the AD curve. So okay, for the other three questions, first of all, the true or false question is from chapter 13, monetary policy. So the question is, a contractionary monetary policy will shift AD curve to the right due to the increase of investment and consumption of durable goods. So in this question, basically you need to know the difference between a contractionary and expansionary monetary policy and the impact it has on AD curve. So the answer is false because a contractionary policy will shift AD to the left since it decreases investment and consumption. Okay, so for the multiple choice question, basically you need to calculate the maximum amount by which the policy will change the money supply. So basically you need to calculate the amount that is being solved, that multiply it by the money multiplier. So the final answer is 1,076 million decrease, and well, it meets the success criteria because you need to be able to identify the way in which a monetary policy affects the money supply, and you need to know how to calculate all of that. Last question is from chapter 12, and basically what you need to know is, all the money creation process. So you need to calculate the reserve ratio, the desired reserves, and the excess reserve. After that, you need to know how to calculate the money multiplier and the increase in money supply. So it meets the criteria because you need to know how to calculate the desired and excess reserves until like the final change in the money supply.